With the 250 East Division starting this week in Arlington, we're going to start getting news about riders we haven't heard from in a while, and it's not always going to be good, especially this one from Casey Cochran, who had a crash at the Baker's factory this week and has subsequently broken his collarbone from it. Now, we do have a quote from him saying, quote, "We had a great offseason, and I was super excited to line up to race this weekend in Arlington. Unfortunately, a practice crash will hinder the start of the season, but we'll be back on track soon." Obviously, collarbones, not exactly the worst things in the world. You can see, was it Shock broke his and then raced the next weekend? I think it's one of those things that's obviously an injury. It sucks, but it's not like season ending. Probably a couple weeks, maybe. Who knows about that? As far as details on his potential return date, there is none at the moment. But Nathan Ramsey, the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory team racing manager, added, quote, "Casey ended up crashing at Baker's factory on Tuesday and fracturing his collarbone. It's definitely a hard pill to swallow, as he had a great offseason where he completed the process of getting ready to compete to a T. He put in the work and was very excited to go ready to race. This will be a small bump in the road for Casey, and he will be back out there showing what he is capable of as soon as possible." It's been a pretty rough run for that team so far, with the amount of crashes that Malcolm Stewart has had from the first round to pretty much every round this year so far. He's had at least one. Ryder DiFrancesco looks pretty good so far. And this weekend, Daxton Bennick will be making his debut for the team, so we'll see how that ends up working. So hopefully, knock on wood, it's not a horrible injury. It's not going to be, 3, 4, 5 races or whatever, just one of those things. Hopefully it's a quick heal. He can be back out practicing, training, and get to the races as soon as possible. But this is what I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who wins in Arlington? Who wins the 250 East Division? Who do you think wins the 450 Division? Because the 250 West is pretty well decided at this point. But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.